Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify AWS EC2 instance status checks using CloudWatch, detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify AWS EC2 instance status checks using CloudWatch, begin by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the EC2 dashboard from the Services menu. Locate your specific EC2 instance from the list. Click on the instance ID to access its detailed information. In the Instance Details pane, find the instance state to check if it's running. Scroll down to the Status Checks section to view the initial checks. Take note of the results for both System Status Checks and Instance Status Checks. Next, open the CloudWatch service from the AWS Management Console. In the CloudWatch dashboard, select Metrics from the sidebar. Click on EC2 to access metrics related to your EC2 instances. You will see a list of available metrics for your instances. To filter metrics for your specific instance, select the Dimension dropdown. Choose Instance ID and then input your instance ID. Click Apply to refine the displayed metrics. Locate the metrics for Status Check Failed and Status Check Failed _ instance. Here, you can monitor the status checks in real time. Select each metric for a more detailed view if needed. To create alarms, go back to the CloudWatch dashboard and click on Alarms. Click the Create Alarm button to start the alarm configuration process. Select the status check metric you want to monitor. Define the conditions for the alarm, such as threshold values and evaluation periods. Configure the actions you want to take when the alarm state changes. Consider sending notifications via Amazon SNS or triggering an AWS Lambda function. Review your alarm settings and click Create Alarm to finalize. Your CloudWatch alarm is now set to monitor the EC2 instance status checks. Regularly check the CloudWatch metrics and alarms for any discrepancies. This process will help ensure your EC2 instances are running optimally. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.